Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. I wanted to briefly introduce you to Hy-Pro's new compact offline filter unit, or COF for short. It's their smallest unit yet. It's a 1.5 gallon flow rate, and it can be used in industrial applications or mobile applications. So it's extremely compact, very simple. You have your electric motor, your pump, and your housing all built into one design, one system. And so you can actually have it stationary on equipment or get it with this cart to be able to have a portable unit. And from a simplicity and a compact standpoint, all you need is 1.5 inches clearance on the bottom to be able to remove that end cap and service your filter element. So you also have a drip pan here on the bottom if you want to catch any of the fluid that may come out when you change over. And then you have your suction port here on the side, you have your return port, and then what's pretty useful is we have a sample port here, and this takes a sample from the upstream fluid, so you can get a true representation of what's coming from your system before it enters the filter. And then on the front, we have a visual indicator for your differential pressure. Once you reach 35 psi, the system's going to go into bypass. This green indicator is going to pop red, and you can also get an electrical switch if you want to monitor that remotely as well. So you can get it with hoses, you can get it with wands. The wands fit right in here, so easy storage. And another useful thing is, from a pump standpoint, it's specifically designed for high viscous fluids. So you can pump through this fluids up to 2200 centisoaks, which is equivalent to an ISO 460 fluid at room temperature. So it really opens up a wide variety of applications that this can be used for. And then from a filter efficiency standpoint, Hy-Pro is leading the industry with a beta 4000 ratio, which basically takes the upstream particles divided by the downstream particles to give you your beta ratio. And so if we have a 10 micron filter element in here, you have 4,000 particles coming into this filter element at 10 micron in size or larger. Only one of those is going to get through to the other side. So it's extremely efficient. You can also, in this one filter, do simply particulate filtration, or particulate and water, or particulate, water, and varnish, all in one unit. So it's really useful for a wide variety of things. And by cleaning up your fluid, the main goal is to make components last longer, make fluid last longer, and if there are any other filters already existing on the machine, it'll make those last longer as well. So some applications where this may be beneficial is plastic injection molding equipment, gearboxes, vacuum pumps, industrial hydraulic reservoirs, and from a sizing standpoint, with 1.5 gallons a minute, we typically like to see, with any system that we're sizing, a minimum of 8 tank turnovers per day. So for instance, at 1.5 gallons a minute, 24/7 operation, a 270 gallon reservoir will give us that 8 turnovers a day. We're sometimes comfortable with going to 4 or 6 turnovers a day, depending on the application. So for instance, if a 500 gallon reservoir 24/7, we can get about 4.3 turnovers per day, which is still acceptable in a lot of applications. So it's good for a wide variety. Anything around that 500 gallon mark or under, this could be a really good fit for. And this entire system, cart and everything, you're looking at about $3,500. If you want it to be portable, if you want it stationary, you're talking about under $3,000, which is an extremely efficient, cost-effective way to clean your oil and keep it clean. So hope it was beneficial for you guys. Thanks for your time, and hope you have a great rest of the day.